In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh your TradingView chart effectively. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the TradingView website. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as TradingView is a web-based platform that thrives on real-time data and fluid interaction. Once you're logged in, you'll notice that TradingView offers a wide range of features to enhance your charting experience. You can zoom in for a closer look at specific data points or zoom out to see a broader trend. Adjusting the zoom levels lets you control the focus of your analysis, depending on what aspect of the chart you need to examine. Now, when you're ready to refresh your chart to its default view, here's what you can do. Simply right-click anywhere on your chart, and you'll be presented with a range of options. Among these, you should see an option labeled Reset Chart View. Selecting this will immediately revert your chart to its original state, giving you a clean slate to work from. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts for a more seamless experience, you can achieve the same result by pressing Alt+R on your keyboard. This shortcut is a quick alternative that traders often use to save time. As you navigate the platform, don't hesitate to explore other features that TradingView offers. It's a powerful tool for any trader, offering everything from technical indicators to chart types, annotations, and more, all of which can significantly aid in analyzing market trends. Refreshing your chart periodically is a best practice, especially if you've been working on it for a while. This simple action can help eliminate any visual clutter that might have accumulated and refocus your analysis. It's a little trick that can make a big difference, ensuring you always have the clearest perspective on the data you're working with. By following these straightforward steps, you're well on your way to mastering one of the many functionalities that will enhance your trading and chart analysis. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos on TradingView features and trading tips. Happy trading, and see you next time.